Good afternoon guys. So I just want to show you my very first trial of natural breeding here in the Philippines. Catfish breeding the natural way. So I have watched several videos about this. So I want to execute and copy the things that I have learned, because I believe this is better than the artificial way, because you don't need to kill the male and you don't need to take care of another set of males again, because in the artificial way you need to kill the males. So at least two you have to prepare for the artificial breeding. One is serve as the fertilize the eggs, and the other one is a backup just in case the male testes is not ready, so you have another male as backup. So but in the natural way, don't need to kill any of the males, and you can choose the males that you like and maintain that same quality of fry that you produce, because you have the same sets of parents. So ito na po yung ating setup. So ginaya ko po yung kay Dexter's World, kaso hindi ako naglagay ng sako. Ang nilagay ko po ay yung shade mesh, parang sako rin siya. So nilatag ko sa ilalim, nilagyan ko lang ng pampabigat na bakal. Tapos yung brush na ginagamit yan sa filtration ng recirculating aquaculture. So I have seen some videos na ginagamitan nila ng ganyan, tapos nile-layout nila at tinatalian at may pampabigat na bakal. But in my case, I didn't put any weights on the brush. Hayaan ko lang siyang mag-free moves. Magmo-move siya ng freely dyan sa tubig pagka naglalaro na yung mga hito. So ang nilagyan ko lang ng pampabigat is yung net. Andun, nilagyan ko ng bakal. Tinalian ko ng nylon. So tomorrow we will have to put in the breeders para yung temperature ng water, kasi sa umaga is pantay-pantay. So I believe that's the best way, kasi kung hapon baka mas mainit yung temperature ng water dito sa ating shallow pan kumpara dun sa kanilang breeder pan. So baka ma-shock at hindi makondisyon yung ating mga breeder. So I think that's the way that I will do it. So hope na magkaroon ng result tomorrow, so that I will adapt this method pagka siya ay successful. But I will not stop until I have succeeded in doing this, because this is the best way to do it. Sabi ko nga, I'm maintaining, meron akong breeder na lalaki na sineset aside, di ko siya pinapatay. Yung malaki, para yun yung gawin kong pang natural breeding, para yung quality ng fingerling natin ay medyo stable. So yun lang po yung ating update for today. Naglalagay po ako ng water. Ito po ay age water, more than 5 days. So medyo nag-green na siya. So yan po, lalagyan ko ng bubong dyan para meron silang shade pagka tanghali. So fill in lang ng tubig yan, mga 6 inches depth, based on the video that I have seen. Kahit kay Dexter's World, ganun din sa kanya, mas shallow, lang siya, shallow pan, clear water. Ma-encourage yung mga breeder para mag-mate sa environment na ganito. So yun lang po ang ating update for today. Thank you for watching and God bless.